Despite the fact that 2019 has not yet ended, some have already prepared for the next. For example, the company Oppo, which launched a line of smartphones with the prefix of 2020 in the title. Yes, today we are going to unbox Oppo A5 2020 budget smartphone. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shehbaz here, and let's start unboxing. So this is Oppo A5 2020 with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM. On the left side of the box, here is a Oppo logo. On the right, also there is a Oppo logo too. And on the bottom, as you can see here, Oppo A5 2020 with ultra-wide quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 665 processor with Game Boost 2.0 and Dolby dual speakers. Alright, let's start unboxing. Coming up next. Alright, let's start unboxing. Okay. So here is a smartphone that is side. So let's see first what's inside. Okay, what is this? I think it's a quick guide and it's in English. Yes. Okay. What is this? A safety guide. It's in English and Arabic as well. Okay. So this is a SIM card ejecting key. A silicone cover, a protected silicone cover. Quality is not bad. Okay, what next? Here is a fast charger. Quality is wonderful. Alright, let's see what's next. A USB cable, USB 2.0. Quality is wonderful. Okay. Alright. So here is Oppo A5 2020. As you can see here, ultra wide quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, dual speakers, Snapdragon 665 with Game Boost 2.0. Okay, let's move it. Okay. Wow, it's too sexy. It's wonderful. Wow, the smartphone is too sexy. This is most trending design of the smartphone. Alright. On the right side, as you can see here is a power button. On the left side, here is a volume rocker, up, down. Here is a SIM card tray, and here is a front camera under the teardrop notch, as you can see here. On the bottom, here is a 3.5 mm audio jack, a USB 2.0 port, and here is a speaker grill. On the back side, here is a Oppo logo, as you can see. On the rear panel, here is a fingerprint scanner, a fast fingerprint scanner, a quad rear camera with 12 megapixels, plus 8 megapixels, plus 2 megapixels, and 2 megapixels with LED flash. Alright, let's start the device. Oppo powered by Android. Oppo A5 2020 with 6.5 inches display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and the brightness is 480 nits. Operating system Android 9.0 Pie, ColorOS 6.1. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 11nm, Adreno 610, 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The smartphone is too sexy. The navigation is wonderful. It's not heavy, it's easy to carry in one hand. This is wonderful. This is a wonderful budget smartphone. Wow. So let's see other features of this smartphone. In settings, about phone, here is device name Oppo A5 2020. As you can see here, model CPH1931, ColorOS version 6.0, Android version 9, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, RAM 3GB, and device storage is 64GB total. So basically this is a budget smartphone you can buy easily from online store. So basically this is a budget smartphone with 6.5 inches display and all other premium features that a premium smartphone has. Let's see camera. The camera quality is not bad, as you can see here. The smartphone has trending design and almost all features that you want. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.